Good morning children. Open your New Sparkle semester series Junior KG semester 1 book. Yesterday we have learnt A to T capital letters. Let's read once again. A for arrow, A for axe, A for apple. B for ball, B for bell, B for bat. C for cat, C for cake, C for cap. D for doll, D for door, D for duck. Alphabet review A, B, C, D, which we have completed with the help of the picture. Now, E for egg, E for egg, E for engine, E for elephant. F for frog, F for fan, F for fish. G for gun, G for gum, G for grapes, G for grapes. H for hat, H for hut, H for hen. Alphabet review E, F, G, H. With the help of the pictures, we also completed this page also. Now, I for insect, I for ink pot, I for igloo, I for igloo. J for jam, J for joker, J for jug. K for kite, yes. K for kite, K for king, K for key. L for lion, here. L for lion, L for lotus, L for leaf. Alphabet review I, J, K, L. We have written with the help of the picture. M for mat, M for monkey, M for mango. N for net, N for nest, N for nail polish, N for nail polish. O for octopus, O for ostrich, O for orange, O for orange. P for parrot, P for puppy, P for pot. Alphabet review M-N-O-P, M-N-O-P. With the help of the pictures, we have written the letters. Q for queen, Q for quiver, and Q for quill. Q for quill. R for radish, R for ring, R for rat, R for rat. Then S for snail, S for sun, S for seal, S for seal. T for table, T for tiger, T for tomato, T for tomato. A to T, we have completed A to T. So now we have gone through the alphabets. Now we will come to the alphabet review Q, R, S, T, which we have completed. We have matched the letters to the picture. Now U, U for urn, U for urn, U for umpire, and U for umbrella, U for umbrella. V for van, V for van, V for violin, and V for vase, V for vase. W for watermelon, W for watermelon, W for well, W for well, and W for whale, W for whale, whale. X for fox, X for fox, X for ox, X for ox, X for box, X for box. Y, Y for yacht, Y for yak, Y for yo-yo, Y for yo-yo. And now the last alphabet is, revision alphabet is Z. Z for zero, Z for zero, Z for zip, Z for zip, and Z for zebra. Z for zebra. Z for zero. Z for zip. Z for zebra. Today, revision alphabets. What we have completed? U, V, W, X, Y and Z. Y and Z. So, from U to Z, we will write in our 4-line book. How to write? You also write in your 4-line book. Yes, now see here how to write. Capital U, U for earn. Capital U, U for earn. U for earn. U for umpire. U for umpire. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. V for van. V for van. V for violin. V for violin. V for vase. V for vase. W for watermelon. See here, W. W for watermelon. W for well. W for well. W for whale. W for whale. X for fox. X for fox. X for ox. X for ox. X for box. X for box. X. Y. Y for yacht. Y for yacht. Y for yak. Y for yak. Y for yo-yo. Yo-yo. Y for yo-yo. And now one more. Z for zebra. Okay, see here. Z for zebra. Z for zebra. Z for zero. Z for zero. Z for zip. Z for zip. In this way, U, capital U to Z means you have to write in this way. U to Z for zebra you have to write for how many pages? For 2 pages. You have to write for 2 pages. U to Z for zebra. Z for zebra. Now capital letters A to Z. A to Z you write for 1 time. 1 page, that is. You write for 1 page. And U. Now what I have completed? U to Z you write for 2 pages. You write for 2 pages. Now let's see. Yesterday what rhymes I have completed? I have completed my red balloon. Twinkle twinkle. Yes or no? Yes. Page number 47, that is my red balloon, twinkle twinkle. Now let's see again 2 rhymes today. Page number 48. Pat a cake. Pat a cake, baker's man Bake me a cake as fast as you can. Pat it and prick it and mark it with B and put it in the oven for baby and me. We will sing in rhythm. Okay? See here. Pat a cake, baker's man. Pat a cake, baker's man. Bake me a cake as fast as you can. Bake me a cake as fast as you can. Pat it and prick it and mark it with B and put it in the oven for baby and me. Pat a cake, baker's man. Bake me a cake as fast as you can. Pat it and prick it and mark it with B and put it in the oven for baby and me. For baby and me. Now, telling lies. Johnny, yes papa, eating sugar, no papa, telling lies, no papa, open your mouth, ha ha ha. Johnny, yes papa, eating sugar, no papa, telling lies, no papa, open your mouth, ha ha ha. Open your mouth, ha ha ha. Pat a cake and telling lies. These two rhymes you have to learn by heart. So, the homework will be this is the homework for you. You have to write U to T, 2 pages, and A to Z, 1 page. Write for 1 page and learn, read and write. Read and write. And then learn by heart the rhymes pat a cake and telling lies. These two rhymes you have to learn by heart. This is the homework for you. With this, we will meet in the next video, children. Thank you.